Hey, Kevin Brierton here, coming to you with your Saturday strategy. Let's jump right in. Big news this week. The Fed funds rate was lowered again this week, but interest rates actually went up. So here's what that means, what that looks on the charts. We actually saw 10-year Treasury go up. We got a lock alert based on the software we use. We got a lock alert, locking in a couple loans, protecting them from the downside. So rates actually went up. Why is this? It's because a lot of it's already been priced in. So you've probably heard of this before, and if you haven't, what happens is if they're anticipating a lock, and I send out the newsletter every Monday, if we anticipate a lock coming, more than likely it's already priced in. So it's something that's already in the market, and most likely the market will stay flat or get a little bit worse after the event actually happens. The good news is if they didn't lower the Fed funds rate, it probably would have been worse. We had decent inflation numbers. Inflation's still around 3% this last week as well. So it'll be interesting to see what happens with inflation, but jobs is really the key. If jobs slow down, that's going to be the catalyst for lower rates. But don't hold our breath. I mean, job market's doing good. I know they're fighting to keep that job market strong, even though they want to temper inflation. So we saw just a little bit of a pop up, nothing too crazy, but we saw a little bit of an increase in interest rates here. So keep in mind, these are the average interest rates. Obviously, you can move around a little bit. This is a good average we use. It's about 35 different of all lenders out there locking loans through Optimal Blue, but the interest rate did go up a little bit after the Fed funds announcement. So here's the deal. I think it's important as consumers or realtors out there watching this, it's important to understand that this is just going to get the market a little bit more active with the real estate market. So if you're looking to buy or refinance, definitely engage with your lender. Rates are much better than they were about a month and a half ago, 2 months ago. So that's something that's a good news, but it is going to spur activity. So for clients, it's spurring activity. If you're getting your house and you want to list it, you want to get that house listed and or ready and talk to your realtor partners and get it listed before kind of the wave of listings, because there's a couple different camps here. If rates go down too much more, then you're going to have a lot of listings come to the market, which you'll have more competition to sell your house. So if you are thinking about selling your house, get a consultation with your listing agent. If you need a agent referral, even outside of Arizona, please reach out. If you're a realtor, same message. It's really important. Connect with your people. This is going to be a reason why people will be reaching out, or they'll reach out to some other professionals. So use this information as valuable information. Understand what's going on in the markets. Understand that the rates may head down, but we're already down. We're already down over a point from what we were just about 45 to 60 days ago. That's pretty significant. So when people ask, oh, do you think rates are going to go down? Just say, yes, they have gone down. And here's what's going on. We've seen a large drop, a lot of movement, and we believe if rates go down a little bit more, that's actually going to spur more activity, both on the listing and buying side. Again, that's good. You can say it's good for me, but it may not always be the best for consumers if there's more competition. Especially if you're buying or if you're selling and buying, because we have a lot of clients right now selling and buying, and more competition means it's harder to get those offers accepted. And we want to make sure we help them the best. So hopefully this is valuable information. Check out my email as well. In the description, I have a little bit more information. Thanks for watching. Kevin Brierton, your No Excuse Lender, and we are excited to help. Have an awesome day, and we'll catch you on the next one.